If you often need a smaller version of an image, for example to send via email or paste into a chat using the clipboard, then TinyTool's image size is just what you need. The best way to explain this tool is from right to left. Enter your target size in the input field and choose whether it should be in pixels or %. Then click the Scale button to resize the image. If you enter the target size in pixels, the scaling is based on the longer edge. By right-clicking the Scale button or holding down the Shift key, you can scale based on the shorter edge instead. If you want to create a scaled duplicate of your document, you can enable the first checkbox before scaling. The second checkbox ensures that the document is flattened to the background layer when scaled, whether you scale the original document or create a duplicate. When the third checkbox is enabled, the scaled image is copied to the clipboard so you can easily paste it into an email or chat. The only special behavior here is that if you don't use the duplicate function, the scaled image is only copied to the clipboard and your original document remains unchanged. This is particularly useful for sharing work-in-progress versions of larger images in a chat. If you also enable the duplicate function, the scaled image will be both copied to the clipboard and saved to a new scaled version, either with all layers intact or as a flattened copy. On the far left, there is a button to open Photoshop's image size dialog, in case you need to adjust a different unit or measurement or change the DPI settings. Want to see yourself how helpful a small tool for quick image scaling can be? Then install the free trial version of TinyTool's image size now.